Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something coming in from White Mountain Knives. This might have been something I bought during the Black Friday sort of sales and specials, so yeah, let's take a look. All right, today I'm opening this up with my Shaman. This is with the Rockscale Design titanium scales, anodized with the green anodization with the bronze hardware, and the Lynch Northwest bronze hardware clip. So let's take a look. This is the Spyderco CTS X HP version. Here we go. This is a full box. Let's see what we got in here today. Likely might be some stuff for possible giveaways. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, I asked them if they might have some extra stickers for the giveaways. Oh, I think we got some stuff going on here. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is great. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. I think that's Joshua there. So all right, so we got Bellamy. Looks like is that CVV? What is that one? Hold on. White Mountain Knives. Okay, so Vustid, yeah. White Mountain Knives exclusive. Kubi. Hogue Knives. Oh, I like Hogue Knives. Got some QSP. All right, very cool. A couple of them, it looks like. Another one. A few of them, actually. What do we got here? Oh, a little with an arrow. Ooh, I don't have that one yet. Now we've got Grind. Spartan Grind or something. That's cool. Vustid Raccoon. Oh, we got a stack here from... this is from Wee Savivi. So very cool. White Mountain patch. That'll be fun. All right, now what do we have here? Wee Knives. Ooh, another nice one. Sencut. And now what do we have here? Ooh, it's fancy QSP leather little keychain. That's nice. And another White Mountain Knives sticker. That's the first time I think I have a White Mountain Knives. I might actually have to take one of those, put in my wall of stickers with all my other companies I shop from. This is cool. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. All right, let's see what we have in here. All right, the first one we have is going to be something from MKM. Okay. The next thing we have is a Spyderco. And then the next thing we have is another Spyderco. All right. So there we go. Got a few Spydercos going on here. What do we have here? Put the two Spydercos over here and we'll just jump into this. Let's look at the MKM. All right, what do we have here? All right, MKM, this is the Timavo Natural Canvas Micarta. I think this was part of the Black Friday sale. So how do we get in on this one? Is it just... oh, okay. There we go. All right. MKM out of Italy. I always wanted to check this one out, so, you know. All right, so you got the little card right here. Interesting. Nice little pouch here. Very good, very good. We got a little bag, of course. All right, let's see, what do we have over here? All right, so this is, let's look at this again. This is the Natural Canvas Micarta. This is the MKM Timavo. So this is the Timavo, okay? So this was on sale. So let's take a look at this Natural Canvas Micarta. Kind of a Spyderco kind of clip. Right hand tip up only. All right, not a captive pivot. It does have a flipper. Chimping goes almost all the way out. All right, 3 standoffs back here. All right, nice and dead in that center. Let's see how it opens. Okay, what do we have on the blade steel? We have M390 stonewashed. So this is a Vox design, looks like. Made by Makita. Okay, made by Makita. It looks like you can choke up on this one. All right, that does fit. All right, it's a liner lock for sure. Engaged right there. We're a good 20-30%. Cutaway, nice access. We definitely have access to the liners. Got some little jimping. Let's see how easy it is to get to. Ooh, that's stiff. All right, so that's pretty stiff. All right. It's a smaller knife. It's not a huge knife. So if you're back here, got my big old meaty hands, right, with my big meaty fingers. So large hands, big meaty fingers. If you have extra large hands with regular size fingers, this is where you're going to be. Double extra large hands with thinner fingers, this is where you're going to be. If you choke up, you're going to be about right up to here. That is a little, I don't know, super comfortable or not, but I mean, definitely a nice knife for sure. It's definitely a liner lock for sure. Not an inset line lock, but definitely a line lock. The flipper works pretty nice. It's a stiff detent. Yeah. So if you love stiff detents, you're gonna like this for sure. I would definitely be tuning this and seeing what skiffs could fit in there. Definitely got the crown spine back there. Very cool. Stone washed going on here. A little polished stone washed. Love the micarta. It's a little aggressive on the edges, I will say that. And if this was my knife, I would Dremel or file that down just to make it a little softer because it's pretty sharp. Yeah, so I'm not a super huge fan of that. It does have a little lanyard hole right there. You can definitely get it in there. This is a little sharp on the edge. Yeah, I mean, for the price I paid, I can't really complain. And I think, you know, this is going to be a giveaway. I think this will be a fun giveaway. I think for sure. All right, so I like it. I like it. There's a lot of good things about this. It is almost a full flat grind. What do we got going on here on the edge? All right, let's see. How's that edge? Nice and sharp. Okay, let's see. All right, so that's the crown going on there. So let's see. Even on that side, pretty even. It's a little longer on this one, a little shorter on that one, so it's going to look like it's going to favor tipping left. But it looks pretty dead net centered, so that's not bad. The flipper's not bad. This is a little stiff. Definitely a little stiff on this. I would definitely want to tune that just a little bit because that's sharp. Yeah, you're not going to have any drop shut. It's barely shake shut, right? I mean, maybe that's how they want it over in Italy, but definitely would need to break in for sure. Yeah, that lock bar is really tough. For sure. Not bad. Really good for the price, I will say that much. What this normally is it's not a super cheap knife for sure. This would definitely be kind of a more exclusive giveaway, maybe a members giveaway kind of knife. That's what I'm looking at it for. So very cool. Yeah, nice. All right, first impression on that one. So pretty cool. I dig it. Not bad. All right, so we're gonna put that one. We'll put it up here. Let's see what we got next going on here. The next one we have is gonna be. All right, so this is a Manix 2, an FRN scales. Okay, and this is one of those specialty steels. And I got this definitely for a giveaway because I have a set of aluminum scales I wanted to put on this. This is the CPM SPY Spyderco 27. So the CPM SPY27 is a Manix 2. Not bad. Let's see, is it? Yeah, it's a little off. Are we in there? We're solid. Okay, you see all the hardware here. Definitely have some of the jimping going on there. Got the clip there for sure. It's not bad at all. Definitely want to get another clip for it, and definitely wanted to get a what should we call it? Another clip for it. But then also, I want to put on those original Goat. I have some original Goat scales. Did I say Rockscale? I meant original Goat scales. You need the G10 for the Rockscale scales. I don't think he does the FRN. Original Goat does, and I have a set of those. So not bad. Yeah, this will be fun. I need to look up the steel on this one, what it's comparable to. I thought I read somewhere it might be comparable to S35VN or something, or S30V. I'm not sure. Maybe, I don't know if it's S45. I know Rex 45 or whatever. That's no, is it? What do I have? Rex. I have one that's Rex something. Anyways, it's not Rex 121. That's my Sage 5. But I have a Manix 2 that's Rex 45. Rex 45. And I thought it was equivalent to maybe, possibly CPM S45VN, or this one is equivalent to that. But I'm not sure. But still, very nice. Very nice. Cool. All right, so these are the two knives right here that we're going to do in the unboxing. The third one I'm going to do a separate unboxing on. But very cool. All right, I like these two. I think they're pretty cool. Yeah. All right, so let's just take a little look here. We'll do a little zoom on them, so you can see what we got here. Let's do that. And let's do that. All right, so there you go. That is the MKM, the Timavo. Let's look at the back. All right, right there like that. All right, both wired clips, right hand tip. This one can be right hand or left hand tip, so it is reversible. So, but My original goat scale is going to be right-hand clip up only. So very cool. All right. So real quick, we'll do a little zoom in on this one here. Let's look at the blade right there, M390, stone wash, beautiful crown bag, nice jimping on here. Here's a beautiful micarta, got some nice laying, but it's really sharp on the edges all the way around. That I'd like to sand down. I think that'd be a little sharp. Then you've got the standoffs, you've got the liner lock. This is a really aggressive one. It's really strong. So, okay. Then the back over here, not a captive pivot. You can definitely see the oil kind of going on the micarta. It's natural micarta. Looks like we got T6s there, T8, T8 right there. And yeah, T8 and T6s right there. So there you go, wire clip. And then you've got the blade over here. A box design right here, made in Makita, I guess, or something like that. Made by Makita. All right. And then you have steel, I believe these are steel liners. Or are they titanium? Yeah, steel liners. Steel liners. Okay, so this is steel liner. That's definitely where you save a little bit of money, right? Steel liners. Not a whole lot of weight relief for sure. So it does have a little bit of weight. Very cool. Let's see the flip right there. The jimping could be a little bit better. It doesn't go all the way out, so you got to make sure you put your finger all the way up there. I don't know about the push button. Let me see. Push button, not very comfortable. You definitely want to do the light switch. I think that's your best shot right there. Can definitely choke up with that little crown right there. You can definitely get kind of a choke up position. I think that does work well. So very cool. All right, so I'm going to put that to the side. So let's look at this. This is the you've seen a Manix too. This is not the first time, but this is the CPM SPY27 blade steel made by Crucible Metals, which is powdered metallurgy. So then you have that over here, made in Golden, Colorado, right? There's a full blade with full satin, full flat finish, nice thin blade. It's going to be a beautiful slicer, good geometry. Here's the FRN scaled blue. Not bad. I mean, it's like blue or teal, whatever you want to call it. You got that, the hardware. This is going to swap out, I think, really nicely. Now, unfortunately, this one was a little off center, so I'm hoping the scales that I get are going to be a little more. I'm going to allow it to be a little more centered. I will say, yeah, this blade is really longer on the tip over here than over here, and that's what's going to cause this one to look like it's going, yeah, it's going this way. Looking at the blade in the scale itself, let me see. It actually looks like it might be centered. It's really just the tip. Okay, interesting, interesting. All right, very cool. All right, so these are the two knives. Definitely will be giveaway knives. Whether they're part of the, I got a 7K milestone coming up, so maybe one of these will be part of that. I don't know. We'll see. But I got them on Black Friday, and I thought these would make a heck of a giveaway. So, yeah, these would be big special ones, right? For sure. So, hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out the channel, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who enjoys the content, who's part of the live streams, who comments, who's just part of the whole community. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. And a big shout out, thank you to all my channel members. I sure do appreciate you. You guys allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. So I'm truly humbled by that. I really am. And you also encourage me at times when I don't do this full time. So I appreciate you so very much. You encourage me. I'll just say that. Thank you. As a small way to say thank you, two small ways to say thank you to my channel members. I do two exclusive things for the members. One, I do a once a month members giveaway. That's exclusively for the members. You've been so generous with your memberships. I want to be generous back to you and do something really cool. I do an exclusive giveaway knife, and it's better than every week, the budget banger that I give away for everyone. It'll be a really nice knife. It could be something like that, which is normally I think like $150, $160 knife. So that's something I might give away. So just, keep an eye out for stuff like that. I also like to send to all brand new channel members or any channel member who's currently a channel member and has never gotten a channel sticker, and a little thank you note. So if you're that person, new channel member, been a member forever, were a member, became a member, and you're currently a member, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. So that's my two ways to say thank you, because you guys blow me away by your support, and I'm grateful. I appreciate everyone out there. You are all amazing. So thank you. If you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.